Hey friends, it's Coupon Wanish, and we are at CVS. I'm going to show you all the preview deals that you could do this week from 7/5 to 7/11. Let's go inside and see what's worth adding to our shopping list. One of the deals that I'm super excited about is this Dove. We are going to have them for $7.99 on the women's body wash. We are going to pick up a total of 2 of them for $15.98. And we should have a $5 digital coupon that's coming, making our final cost for both just $10.98. Now, if you grab the FIFA Dove, you do have a $10 off coupon. And we also will have that $7.99 that they will be. You pick up 2 of them, clip that $10 coupon, and you're only left to pay just $5.98. Another amazing Dove deal that we have is going to be on our Dove Big Body Wash. They are going to be on sale for $10.99. It shows we will have a digital coupon, but it doesn't say the amount. But this could be a really good option that you could do instead of picking up the 2 Dove Body Wash. Garnier Fruit shampoo and conditioner will be priced at $4.49. You are going to pick up 2 of them for $8.98 and clip this $3 off of 2 coupon. You will pay $5.98 at the register, but you will get $3 back in extra care bucks when you purchase 2, making your final cost just $2.98. Honestly, you guys, I would do this deal today because it will be a lot cheaper. Our meal products will be 2 for $20 starting tomorrow. We can pick up 2 of them, pay $20 out of pocket. We're going to get $7 back in extra care bucks, making our final cost just $13. I'm really hoping that we get another coupon for these, just because it will make our out-of-pocket costs a lot cheaper. Next, we will have our Colgate Optic White Toothpaste. It is going to be on sale for $3.99. Pick up 2 of them. Your total will be $7.98. And then you're going to clip this $3 off coupon, paying $4.98 at the register. You are going to get $4 in extra care bucks when you purchase 2, making your final cost just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Another Dove deal that you can do is going to be on our Dove dry spray and our Dove deodorant. They will be buy one get one 50% off starting tomorrow. We are going to pick up 2 of the dry sprays for $19.03, and we are going to clip this $4 off coupon. We are going to pay $15.03 out of pocket, but we are going to get $4 in extra care bucks when we purchase 2, making our final cost just $11.03 or about $5.51 for each one. This next deal you don't want to miss because it's absolutely amazing, and it's on our laundry detergent. We are going to be picking up Tide and Gain for super cheap, so let me break this deal down for you. You're going to pick up one of the Tide laundry detergents. They are going to be on sale for $12.99, and we have a $3 coupon attaching. We are also picking up one of the Gain laundry detergents. They are going to be priced at $12.99, and we have a $2 coupon attaching. Now, this is where the deal gets really good because we have this CVS promotion going on that when we spend $25, we're going to get $8 in extra care bucks. So picking up 2 of them will cost me $25.98. I have $5 worth of coupons, leaving me to pay $20.98 out of pocket, but I am going to get that $8 back in extra care bucks, making my final cost for both just $12.98. We will have our Swifter wet cloths. They are going to be on sale for $10.99. You are going to pick up 2 of them for $21.98 and clip this $10 off of 2 coupon, only leaving you to pay $11.98 for both. Tylenol Precise Relieving Cream is going to be priced at $17.99. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $14.49 out of pocket. We are going to get $3 in extra care bucks when we purchase 1, making our final cost just $11.49. Next, we will have our Nature's Bounty vitamins. They are going to be buy one, get one free. We are going to look at the calcium magnesium ones. They are priced at $8.29. You would pick up 2 of them and clip this 5 off of 2 coupon, leaving you to just pay $3.29 out of pocket for both. Our Always Discreet pads are going to be on this promotion that when you spend $25, you will get $8 back in extra care bucks. We are going to pick up one of the Always Discreet pads that are $17.99 and one that is priced at $7.19. Picking up both of these will cost me $25.18. I do have a $7 off of 2 coupon on the Always Discreet pads, making my total out of pocket $18.18. I will get that $8 back in extra care bucks, making my final cost for both just $10.18. Huggies Diapers will be 2 for $22, and when we pick up 2, we're going to get $5 in extra care bucks. Pick up 2 of them and clip this $3 off coupon. You're going to pay $19 out of pocket, get that $5 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost just $14 or $7 a piece. Deodorant will be buy one, get one 50% off. You are going to pick up 2 of them for $8.68. Click this $3 coupon, paying $5.68 at the register. You will get $3 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost for both just $2.68. That completes CVS preview deals. Make sure you are following me because tomorrow I will be posting a full breakdown of the deals, the costs, and everything in between. But you guys, make sure you are saving more and stressing less.